How to disable ad blocker in Chrome on Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to help disable ad blockers in Chrome on Android. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, open Chrome browser on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, select Settings. Scroll down and then select Site Settings. On the section, you have to scroll down and locate Intrusive Ads. You need to and then locate the option of Intrusive Ads. You need to toggle the button off, and once you have blocked or toggle the button off, it will help us to disable ad blocker in Chrome on Android. So that is how we disable ad blockers in Chrome on Android. Now that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more new tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.